Ah, there you are. You are welcome. How are you?
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Wazo.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Which one of you is Kazito?
That's me. And this is Luonga.
Hello, Ms. Wazo.
Hello, Luonga. Let's go to the lounge or for a chat. I will invite my colleague to join us.
Thank you for meeting us. We were really inspired by the IP seminar you facilitated last week at the engineering faculty main auditorium. We have an invention that we have been working on that we think we can patent.
I am so glad to call to set up this meeting.
Hello everyone, I am Marifa.
Hello Marifa. This is Kazito and Luonga. They participated in last month's IP seminar at the engineering faculty. They have an invention and they wanted to have a chat and get information on how they should proceed to protect their invention.
It's great to meet you Kazito and Luonga.
I asked Marifa to join us because she is still new at the TTO. But soon she will have to handle such situations and this is an opportunity for her to see how it's done. I hope you don't mind her joining in.
No, we don't mind.
I am excited to hear about your invention.
We are both third-year mechanical engineering students. Do you know what is crazy? In my 3 years on campus, I have never stepped foot at the technology transfer office before. So what is a technology transfer office and what is its purpose exactly?
That's a great question and a great start to our conversation. A technology transfer office, or what we refer to as a TTO, is essentially a bridge connecting the university research and innovations and commercial application. We assist in protecting intellectual property such as patents, and support the commercialization process by connecting inventors with industry partners, and guiding the inventors through the legal and business aspects.
Oh wow, I did not know we had access to such support. We have been struggling to figure out what our next steps should be.
You are now in good hands. So gentlemen, please tell us a little about your invention.
We got an idea after attending some practical sessions at the engineering lab, to develop an efficient motor. So, Luonga Carol and myself started working on a prototype for an energy-efficient motor which we think can be used in many industries.
Wonderful. You mentioned that there were 3 of you working on the prototype. Where is Carol?
She could not come with us today, but she knows we are meeting you today. We shall bring her to speed when we meet up with her later.
Okay, it is important that we are clear about who the inventors are. So, tell me, why do you say your motor is energy efficient?
Our motor reduces energy consumption by 30% compared to existing models.
That sounds impressive. We would like to hear more about the invention. But before we continue, do you have any questions?
Yes, during the seminar, you spoke about patents, and we think we should patent our motor. Where do we begin?
You really were paying attention, weren't you? Before we get into how to start the patenting process, I would like to give you an overview about patents and specifically get into the patentability criteria.
That would be great.
Marifa, please take them through the key highlights about patents.
Sure, so I know that by now you have a good idea about what intellectual property is, and what a patent is. But I will just give an overview so that we are all on the same page. As you know, intellectual property IP is a creation of the human mind, and a patent is a form of legal protection that offers an inventor an exclusive right for their invention, which is a creation of the mind. A patent protects an invention for a specific period of time. In Uganda's case, it is 20 years. The patent will prevent others from making, using or selling the invention without the owner's permission. It is important to know that an invention needs to meet the patentability criteria that includes novelty, inventive step and industrial applicability. What that means is that when you apply for a patent, the application undergoes examination to see if it meets the patentability criteria.
I understood the patentability criteria, but I wonder how they examine the patent application for novelty, inventive step and industrial applicability.
Another great question. Let's start with industrial applicability. First and foremost, it is important to demonstrate in the patent application that the invention is capable of being made or used in some kind of industry. It should basically have practical application.
So, the patent examiner looks for clear description and potential uses of the invention in the patent application.
Exactly. So, the easiest way to know that an invention meets the criteria for industry applicability is by figuring out what problem it solves.
That's quite interesting.
I think I should start taking notes.
Then comes the criteria of novelty. With this, the examiner checks whether your invention is new, meaning it has not been publicly disclosed anywhere in the world before the filing date. They conduct a thorough search of existing patent, scientific literature and other publicly available information to ensure the invention is new.
That sounds like a lot of search.
It sure does.
Then, there is the inventive step, or non-obviousness, which simply means that your invention should not be something that a person with ordinary skill in the relevant field could easily deduce based on existing knowledge. The examiner assesses whether your invention provides a significant and unexpected advancement over existing technologies.
Isn't obviousness subjective? And who qualifies to be a person of ordinary skill in a field?
Another excellent question, but we shall not get into that today. I know there will be plenty of opportunities to discuss all that.
From what you have been explaining to us, I am starting to realize that there is a great deal of preparation that is required before filing a patent.
Oh yes, but at least we have started the journey.